Here I've got LG V60 ThinQ, and let me show you how to activate the installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select apps, and then go to special app access. Here you will notice install unknown apps, just click on it, and if you would like to allow for example Google Chrome, this feature, just tap on Chrome and then allow from the source by tapping on the switcher, and that's it. Then you can do it for any other app that you would like to give this permission to, just tap here and that's all. So whenever you would like to install unknown app from some different source that your Play Store, smoothly activate it right here, and then for example you will be able to download some app from files. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.